Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Beauty Crack. How are you? I hope you are fine and hope well. Today I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. My dear friends, today I shall showing new videos with new and extremely gorgeous and very trendy type coloring ideas. White, grey, light silver shade, light gold shade, dark brown, brown shade, burgundy, reddish, and much more very trendy and stylish pictures. All cutting and all designs are perfect and beautiful for you. I must just stop video. You will find cutting ideas in these videos. You can this type of cutting in any salon. All kinds of cutting will make your personality look great and blossom. If you like this haircut, take a screenshot and save your mobile. I will try my best to show you all the new latest cutting ideas in our videos. If you want to watch more videos, visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. Please friend, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will get all notification of my videos and never miss my video collection of my channel. If you like this video, to click the like button and share videos with friends, family members and on the social media accounts. So do not need to tell me in the comment section to help me how was my videos. Thanks so much for watching my video of my channel. Can help you to give beautiful ideas. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with different collection, design, colors. Friends, please again subscribe my YouTube channel and wait for my new video. I always try to bring useful ideas according to your choice. Bundle of thanks. Take care, friend. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.